our channel. Let's start with the news today. UK to equip Ukraine with a high-velocity Starstreak anti-aircraft missile as Russian troops close to in on Kyiv. With reports coming in about Russian troops getting closer to Ukraine capital Kyiv, the latter has been provided with the weapons of military gears by several countries. The UK is considering sending Starstreak anti-aircraft weapons and a small consignment of Javelin anti-tank missiles to the war-torn country. Speaking in Parliament on March 9, UK Defence Secretary Ben Wallace told lawmakers in response to Ukrainians' request, the government has taken their decision to explore the donation of the Starstreak high-velocity manned portable anti-air missile. Starstreak is a high-velocity missile aimed to provide close air defense against conventional threats including helicopters, low-flying fixed-wing jets, and drones. We believe that this system will remain within the definition of defensive weapons, but will allow the defending force to better defend the skies, Wallace said, highlighting Starstreak's capabilities. He said the Russians are changing their tactics, and so the Ukrainians need to have the Ukrainian force tackle the Russian Air Force. In response to MP's question about how long the supply decision would take, Wallace said, "We are in principle going to do it." He recognized that the rockets would require training for the Ukrainian military. How we are doing in training is sensitive. Wallace was pressed by both Labour and the Scottish National parties to supply the Starstreaks and other missiles as soon as possible. Labour Jones Haley has urged for the supply decision to be made as quickly as possible. Stewart MacDonald of the Scottish National Party's SNP made a similar request. This is only still week 2. Haley noticed Russia has such crushing firepower. Putin has such utter ruthlessness that we must expect more than one of his military objectives to be taken over the next few weeks. Wallace told lawmakers that Russia is now employing unguided bombs and that with 95% of its militaries in Ukraine committed, Moscow is attempting to recruit a private Russian soldier from organizations such as a Wagner group to fight alongside them. He claimed that Russia had lost 285 tanks, 985 more vehicles, 44 planes, 48 helicopters, and 109 artillery pieces, quoting Ukrainian estimate. He said that 11,000 Russian troops have been killed, but added that Ukrainian statistics were unconfirmed. According to Wallace, the UK would continue to deliver an LAW short-range anti-tank weaponry. Ukraine has now received 3,615 units of the portable missile system, roughly double the 2,000 previously reported, he said. People in the southeastern cities of Mariupol have been without power and water for almost a week, while unguided bombs southeast of Kyiv, according to Wallace. Russian troops moved into Kyiv Eastern Brovary district, attempting to encircle the capitals. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.